Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm just making a quick video tutorial on how to install the Acuity or Acuity shift knob, however you want to pronounce that. It's pretty straightforward. So pretty much all you're going to need is honestly just a 14mm wrench. And yeah, so let's get started. So first thing you want to do is just pull your boot down. It's pretty straightforward. For me, I honestly literally just pushed straight down and went off. You might have to twist it left or right or whatever and push down. Once you get that off, you're going to want to grab your 14mm wrench. There's a little nut here that you put your 14mm on. So the 14mm you're going to want to turn right while you turn the shift knob left. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's a quick little comparison for you. I can tell you right now, right off the bat, the OEM one is a lot heavier. It's probably twice the weight, if not more. Don't get me wrong, the QD one has some weight to it, but it's definitely nothing compared to the OEM one. So yeah, let's get this bad boy installed. So now that you've taken that off, just move that out the way. You basically just want to screw this guy off here. Get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. Next thing you're going to want to do is just to start with a plastic trim removal tool. I did get the QD tools with mine, so you can simply just start prying on the plastics here all the way around on both sides here, just until you can take this panel off. There's going to be two clips on the bottom here that you are going to have to unplug. I do recommend that your car's off at the time. Mine's currently on just because I'm charging up my phone right now, but yeah, so I'll get started on that and I'll show you guys after. Alright guys, so I got mine all loosened up here. I actually didn't even end up using the little tools. So just to let you guys know what I did, I grabbed here with my left hand and just kind of pulled up a little bit until I got it started. Work your way this direction. Eventually you'll pull back on this corner. You'll pop this corner out and then work your way down here. So honestly, you probably don't even need a plastic tool or anything like that. You can just use your hands. Okay, so most of you should already have this off now. Now that you do, there's going to be two clips here. There's going to be one here, one down here. They're very simple to take out. There's actually just this little push clip here, this little push pin. Just push down on it, pull it out. Same thing with this big guy here. Just push down on it, pull it out. Once you got that out, you're simply going to want to take this top piece and pull it through the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, sorry, there's something I actually missed. I don't know if everyone has this, but on the Canadian model, they do have a little zip tie here on the inside. So make sure you snip that off, and then you can pop this through the top. Alright, so I just took the zip tie off, so you should literally just be able to pull this out the top, as I was saying. Just like that. Alright, so we'll put that one off to the side for now, and then we'll put the new one on. So basically, with your new one, you're pretty much going to do exactly the same thing. Okay guys, so after I took that off, I simply just popped the new one in, and then flip it inside out again. So I'm just going to put a new zip tie on, and then we're going to start putting everything back together. Alright, so once you guys have snapped all your plastic pieces back together, it's pretty straightforward. You literally just screw the knob on. Alright guys, so just a quick little update for you. There it is installed. I did just take a 20-minute drive to the gas station and back. First impressions, feels good. Definitely feels a little smaller in your hand compared to the OEM one. But the throws are way shorter. Feels good so far. It definitely is going to take a little bit to get used to. But yeah, I highly recommend it. It feels great, honestly. I definitely think you guys should go for it. If you've never done a shift knob upgrade before, you won't regret it.